Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is acquired traits and inherited traits for class 10th. What are acquired traits and inherited traits? First is acquired trait, a trait or characteristic of an organism which is not inherited but develops in response to the environment is called an acquired trait. For example, if a beetle does not get sufficient food for a considerable time, its weight will be reduced due to starvation. The low weight of this beetle is an acquired trait of the beetle which has been acquired in response to the environment which contained insufficient food. Again, suppose the tail of a mouse gets cut. The cut tail of this mouse is also an acquired trait which has been brought about by some agent in its environment. The acquired traits of organism cannot be passed on to their future generations. Then inherited trait, a trait or characteristic of an organism which is caused by a change in its genes or DNA is called an inherited trait. Inherited traits can be passed on to the progeny of the organism because they have produced changes in the genes or DNA of the organism. Suppose there is a population of red beetles in the green bushes. Again, suppose that a color variation arises during reproduction so that there is one beetle which is green in color. This change of green color in the beetle has been brought about by a change in the genes or DNA of the reproductive cells. The green color of this beetle is an inherited trait which can be passed on to the next generations. The change from red beetle to green beetle can be considered to be an example of evolution because it helps in the survival by mixing with green bushes.